Most wheel cleaners are one of the biggest rip-offs in the entire auto care aisle. You walk into a parts store, grab a fancy bottle that promises professional brake dust removal, spend $12 to $20 on it, spray it on your wheels, watch it turn purple, and think you've discovered magic. But here's what most drivers don't realize. That expensive bottle is often solving a problem that a product costing pennies can handle just as well. By the end of this video, you'll know what professional detailers use instead and why brake dust sticks so aggressively to your wheels. And we will see 3 other car cleaning jobs the same cheap product can do. Let's start with the problem. Brake dust isn't ordinary dirt. Every time you hit the brakes, tiny particles of metal, carbon, and adhesive material are shaved off the brake pads and baked on by heat. That's why a normal car wash barely touches it. The detailing industry loves this because it creates a dedicated product category. Wheel cleaners, iron removers, brake dust removers, fallout removers, entire shelves filled with different bottles solving the same basic issue. The average driver can easily spend over $100 a year keeping wheels clean, but professional detailers know something most consumers don't. For routine wheel cleaning, one of the most effective and cheapest solutions is simple dish soap mixed with warm water and a brush. Not because it's magical, because most wheel contamination isn't bonded iron. It's road grime, oils, and dirt that haven't permanently embedded. The expensive cleaner isn't doing most of the work. The agitation is. Let me show you why. Take 2 dirty wheels. On the first wheel, spray a premium wheel cleaner and let it sit. On the second wheel, use a bucket of soapy water and a brush. After scrubbing both wheels and rinsing them off, the difference is far smaller than the marketing would have you believe. For normal weekly maintenance, the brush removes most of the contamination. The cleaner simply helps loosen it. And here's where the money disappears. Most people buy stronger wheel cleaners because they clean their wheels less and less often. The dirt builds up. The brake dust bakes on. Then they need aggressive chemicals to remove what regular maintenance would have prevented. Now, before the detailing experts start typing, let's be fair. Dish soap isn't the answer for every wheel. If your wheels have years of embedded iron contamination, you'll still benefit from a dedicated iron remover. If you're dealing with neglected wheels that haven't been cleaned in months, stronger chemistry helps. But for routine maintenance, most drivers are paying premium prices for products they simply don't need. And here's the surprise. That same bottle of dish soap solves 3 more jobs around your car. First, greasy engine bay plastics. Second, bug splatter on the front bumper. The surfactants help break down protein residue before it hardens into the paint. Third, dirty rubber floor mats. The same solution lifts dirt, road salt, and grime without leaving a slippery residue behind. 1 bottle, multiple jobs, pennies per wash. Now let me save you from 3 mistakes that make people think wheel cleaning doesn't work. Mistake number 1. Cleaning wheels after the car. Always clean wheels first. Otherwise, you're splashing brake dust and dirty water back onto freshly washed paint. Mistake number 2. Using the brush dry. A dry brush drags contamination and increases the chance of scratching delicate coatings. Keep everything lubricated. Mistake number 3. Cleaning hot wheels. A wheel that's hot from driving can cause cleaners to evaporate before they work. Always clean wheels when they're cool to the touch. Here's exactly how to do it. Fill a bucket with warm water. Add a small amount of dish soap. Rinse the wheel thoroughly. Use a soft wheel brush to agitate the spokes, barrel, and lug areas. Rinse again. Dry with a microfiber towel if desired. The entire process takes only a few minutes and costs pennies instead of dollars. For decades before the modern detailing industry exploded, this was how people cleaned wheels. No color-changing sprays or miracle formulas, just soap, water, and elbow grease. The industry didn't necessarily invent a better solution, it invented more products. So why don't more people know this? Because recurring purchases are profitable. A bottle you replace every month is a business model. A few drops of soap from a bottle already sitting under your kitchen sink isn't. Subscribe, because in the next video, we're testing whether expensive glass cleaners actually outperform a simple homemade solution. It costs less than 20 cents per bottle and leaves fewer streaks than most products on the shelf.